In this video, I will share with you a list of the top 3 best and affordable countertop blender for smoothies. Coming first is Countertop Professional Countertop Blender. This blender is equipped with 2200 watt motor, which has the power to crush through whole fruits, vegetables and ice in seconds. Powerful nutrient and vitamin are maintained, thus providing great taste and nutritious beverages. This blender is sturdy and durable. Its base is equipped with anti-slip suction feet, so you can blend safely on your kitchen countertop. Its stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients, so from the first blend to the last, you get the same quality results. Lastly, all materials of this smoothie maker are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. If you love this, check out the link in description. Coming second is One-Joint Professional Countertop Blender for Kitchen. This blender has a timer control for safe using, and it automatically stops when setted time reached. It's also easy to use and easy to clean. One-Joint blender has speed control to achieve a variety of textures. With these, even raw fish could be made into mashed and eating directly, and it has a one-button switch for cleaning thoroughly. This blender could also mince ice in 10 seconds without adding extra water and doesn't fall while turning over. Lastly, it adopts maximum power of 1800 watts with hardened stainless steel blade, making crushing ice faster and blending of ingredients smoother than other blenders. If you love this, check out the link in description. Last but not least is Easepot 68 ounces Countertop Smoothies Blender. This blender has a high-quality motor equipped with 3-layer 8-piece stainless steel blades that complete mixing, chopping, blending more easily. The fruits and vegetables are crushed to a delicate state without losing their nutrients. Its buckle design on the base ensures the cup can keep stable on the base and more safety when the blender is running. It's also designed with ultra-thick rubber pad, reducing noise and friction. This blender jar and lid are dishwasher safe. Lastly, it has a large capacity and it's BPA-free, thus healthy. Safety and durability make it ideal for blending smoothies, drinks and shakes for your whole family. If you love this, check out the link in description.